What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Wolf Tracker leather boots in Crimson Desert. The footwear of the Wolf Tracker set offers 11 points in attack, 3 points in defense, and a level 1 movement speed bonus. Its best feature is the Abyssal Toxin Immunity Abyss gear, which could come in handy if you're dealing with Abyssal Toxin troubles. It's also got an extra vacant Abyss gear slot for you to utilize later. You'll find these boots northeast of the town of Hernand. It's deep in the woods a bit to the northwest of the Hills of No Return, and south of the Hillguard outpost. When you get there, find a small stream around where I placed my waypoint, and watch out for some cliffs on the southeast direction. You'll find an entrance on the cliff face. Get inside and you'll be making your way down into some tunnels. When you reach an abandoned hull, go down at the bottom, and to the left while facing the ladder you just climbed down from is a ledge. Climb it, turn right, and make a run for it to avoid the arrow traps. When you reach an intersection, stop in the middle. Turn right, and you'll see a corridor with a lever at a dead end. Just pull that lever to open a secret door. And inside the next room are the boots on top of the altar. Take them and they're all yours. That's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.